Hello, this is Yemis from Yemis Kitchen. Just wanted to give you and show you a quick menu. I'm trying to cook stewed gizzard for my family. Okay, for the stewed gizzard, you're gonna need gizzard, which is the main ingredient. The main ingredient, which is gizzard, is already on the stove. I'm gonna pan around and show you. You're gonna need your peppers, which I use for the blend pepper that you see me using there. I have my garlic, my ginger, my habanero pepper, my onion, my bell pepper, the tomatoes, and jalapeno pepper. Jalapeno pepper is optional. I like habanero pepper, so garlic and ginger I like. Those are optional too. So a little bit of salt. I always use a pinch of salt. My palm oil, and my seasoning that I put in that you see when I'm cooking. I had the poultry seasoning, which I bought over the counter, a spoon or a teaspoon of that, a teaspoon of Cameronian pepper, a teaspoon of seasoning, chicken seasoning, my bay leaves, couple of them, and my cayenne pepper, and that's it. So let's go to my stove. Welcome to Yemis Kitchen again. I showed you what I was boiling my gizzard, and I'm going to use. So I use some of the gizzard for gizzard to do, and this one is the one I want to use for peppered gizzard. And I put the oil, like a spoon and a half of the cooking spoon, and onions. I purposely put the onions so big so that when I want to take it out, it will be cooked with it. I put the onion, I cut it in different sizes. I want some to actually melt with the meat, and the other one, when I serve it, to be cooked. It should be served with it to garnish it. Okay? I showed you when I was chopping my pepper, blending my pepper. So this is my bell pepper, onion, garlic, and everything you think of that. I showed you when I was blending. This is it. The base of African cooking is that. The base of our sauces is this. I'm going to let this cook for a while. And I have my seasoning. I have the Cameronian pepper, cayenne pepper, each half a teaspoon of each. This is poultry seasoning because I'm going to cook gizzard. This is my curry, and this is my bay leaf. This is just my style. Everything is optional. The only thing that you have to do is seasoning, chicken seasoning, bouillon seasoning, and the salt with seasoning. So this is the most important thing if you want to So that's a teaspoon and a half of chicken seasoning and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put it in here. Let it cook. My goal is to let this reduce. The oil will come up a little bit, and I put the meat in it. And this, when you're cooking this, the meat has to be 2 parts, and the sauce has to be 1 part, because you want every meat, every part of it to be marinated and coated with this. People use this as snack in a pot. It's a delicacy. You garnish it on jollof rice, on rice, on anything you want to eat, but it's a delicacy. It's not everything you don't eat every day. My tummy is hungry. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What is cooking in Yammy's kitchen? I told you that I am going to make African cooking easy for you, so that we can use whatever we have here in the United States, in Spain, in Nigeria, in America, and South Africa to cook. See what I'm trying to do? You have the chunk of the onion that's bigger, they're not done yet, and the others are translucent and they are lost. Okay, now I'm going to put my gizzard. I have turkey gizzard and I have chicken gizzard. And this, when you go to a party and you see them, they have that, what do you call that? Peppered sauce. This is how they do it. There's a lot of sauce there. I didn't want to reduce it, so I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in it for my husband and my gizzards. Chicken's already fried. So this is supposed to be peppered gizzard. That's how you do, but I'm putting my tripe in it because that would taste yummy too. So that's all the people, this is how the Yoruba people do it. Except that probably reduce the sauce, but this is how we sauce our meat. But this is, I'm saucing this, see, can you see how humongous that is? That is a turkey gizzard. Can't find my pot handle, it's somewhere. So I'm going to leave it to cook for a while. Before I go, I'm going to put some onion in it for garnishing. When your friends come visiting, this is what. Okay, I'm gonna let it suck out the juice. Carry it for like 5 minutes and I'll plate it and I'll show you how it is. But actually it's done. It's actually done. I'm going to turn off the lights, turn off the stove and let it simmer by itself. So I have to plate it for you. Okay? Hello, this is my gizzards. When I was cooking my stew, you remember I was cooking the gizzard with the chicken. Well, this is the finished product. I sauteed it in pepper and onions. That's the one on the left side, and the other one is the fried gizzard. Enjoy. I can see myself taking this with Gary. Taking it with Gary is nice. This is my finished product. Don't forget to subscribe to Yammy's Kitchen. Like us at Yammy's.kitchen on Instagram, www.yammyskitchen.website.com, on YouTube and Facebook. And the link will be linked below. Thank you for staying tuned. Stay blessed. Love you. Yammy's Kitchen.